And you can also specify which SIM card you would like to use for messaging. You can also specify which SIM card you can use for cellular data, and Bluetooth can also be turned off. Over here you do have the option of turning off the Bluetooth directly from the notification center, which is good. You do have internet sharing also supported, so you can create a portable Wi-Fi hotspot on this device and share the 3G internet. So this is something which I really like, because from a 2000 rupees phone, if you have a 3G SIM card, again, I'm not perfectly sure whether this device will support 3G. We will test that, but as of now we have some information that it will support 3G, so we will test that once we do the full review. As far as sound is concerned, so this is how the sound settings look like, and again, I can show you that sound settings does include the option of having a different volume for the ringer and notification, and you can have a different volume for alarm as well. You have other options over there. As you can see, you can control the camera shutter sound. You can actually control the sound whether you would like to hear that when you record a video on this device. You have all these other options over there. And as far as sharing internet is concerned, you can actually create a portable Wi-Fi hotspot from the SIM card which you have inserted into this device. When it comes to display settings, I can show you the display settings over there as well. Again, you do not have automatic brightness on this device, because this device misses the front camera. It also misses the proximity and ambient light sensor. So again, you do not have the automatic brightness supported on this device. Again, don't expect much on this price point. When it comes to lock orientation, you can actually enable and disable the lock orientation. So in case you would like to have it rotated in when you hold it like this, you can actually enable this. The keyboard was not rotated because of this, because this option was enabled. You can change the wallpaper from here directly. You can actually browse the wallpaper from the wallpaper which we have on this device. Some default wallpapers are there. You can set any of the wallpapers which come preloaded. You can also download more wallpapers, have it in the gallery, and you can set any wallpaper from the gallery as well. This is where the brightness comes, so you can control the brightness. And when it comes to the screen timeout, you can also control over the screen timeout in case you would like to do that. As far as notifications are concerned, this is how the notification look like. You can actually set them to show on the lock screen, or you can actually disable them as well. And when it comes to the keyboard, you have a QWERTY keyboard. You can actually install more keyboards, but built-in keyboard is something which we already showed you. You do have screen lock enabled, so in case you would like to have a screen lock, in case you don't want to see that, you can always do that. You have a passcode lock option also, so you can set a passcode in case you would like to have a password protected screen locking mechanism on this phone. When we talk about the do not track, we do have the option of enabling this option over there, in which whenever you visit a website, you will not be tracked. There will be no history maintained on the device. So in case you don't want to track, or in case you don't want others to see which web pages you have visited, you can always go and check all these options so that they do not track it. So this is how you can check it. You do not tell the websites and apps that anything about tracking preferences. Basically, it will not track which website you are visiting, and on the basis of which no other website or cookies will be able to collect the data from the smartphone. We have USB storage as well. So again, one thing I would like to tell you, when it comes to WhatsApp and Facebook, you do have Facebook application company installed. However, WhatsApp as of now is not there on the Firefox OS, so they have a replacement application or an alternative application which is called Connect A2. This Connect A2 is compatible with WhatsApp people, so especially in case you have any of your friends which are using WhatsApp, you can use the Connect A2. You can introduce yourself, you can register yourself with this particular option. It is a trial version application, so and WhatsApp net is experimental, so you can actually interact with your friends, especially who are using WhatsApp on their smartphones. So irrespective if they are using an Android phone, you can actually connect to them with the help of Connect A2, which will come pre-installed, and it is a WhatsApp replacement as of now. When it comes to other things, you do have a file manager as well. So over there you have a file manager which allows you to actually go over the file contents either on the SD card, the internal SD card, or on the external SD card. So internal SD card is the phone storage, whereas the external SD card is the SD card which you insert into this device. So in all, I would like to say that this is a pretty decent phone, especially for the price. The kind of features you have, the kind of interface you have for the application does give you a feel of a smartphone.